It is a ethics-based question, and I must say an interesting one too. Lots of time we don't understand that if we did some research, if we did some discovery on the expense of somebody else, so that research does not belong to us, or that research does not belong to us until and unless they officially let us do whatever we want to do. So let's see how many of you selected the right option. Option A says reject the offer and close the project as instructed by the management. You can do this thing as management has asked for you, but if you have find silver light, if you have find an option, you should talk to the management. So option A is not right. Option B, set up a startup and close the project instructed by management. I think this is not right thing to do. You should inform your management. So option number B is not the right answer. Option number C, convince the management to restate the project and fire the technical resource. I think, firing the technical resource is not the right thing to do. He identified a very good thing in your project, and you should, utilize his knowledge and experience to work on, because, that's he who identified the opportunity. So option number C is also not right. Option number D, convince the management to restate the project and promote him as technical lead. I think this is the best thing to do, because it will also compensate him, and also it will help management if they agree to do the project. So the right answer in this scenario, in this ethical question, is option number D. Those who have answered it correctly through ethical mindset, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.